morning so far. So the plan today was to throw in the 7M, which all was going great. Last night I loaded in the engine hoist into my truck and everything like that, and got almost to Randall's house this morning. Yet now we usually start at around 6:30 in the morning. Currently it is 8 o'clock, and we haven't done anything. That's because, you know, like I said, I loaded up the engine hoist and everything like that. Got all the way to Randall's house and realized I didn't have the chain to put on the engine hoist to lift up the motor. So we you know, dumb us didn't check the hours of like Home Depot or Lowe's. So at 7 o'clock this morning we went to Home Depot to go buy a chain and realized that they didn't open up until 8 o'clock. So basically we've done nothing all morning, and we've just been kind of driving around. So we just got back to Randall's house. I dropped him off so he can start getting stuff out of the way and push the Supra out into the driveway so that we can put the motor in. So I'm headed back to Lowe's to pick up some chain to put on the cherry picker so we can put it back in the Supra today. So yeah, it's been a pretty uneventful, eventful morning, if you can say that. Alright, just got to Lowe's, so I'm going to run inside and see if I can find some chain to use for the engine hoist back there. Alright, successfully got the chain from Lowe's. And now I'm going to head back to Randall's and we're going to attempt to throw this motor in. Wish us luck. So we left off last time. Oh wait, until you're done moving that. That's the loudest noise in the world. So last time we left off, we were unsure about what we were going to do with the union bolt in the back of the block, or the head. And Randall was successful. Bam! Got the bolt out, new one in, and the motor's going in. How you feel about that, Rampage? It's looking pretty good. I like that grill paint. Nice flat black finish. It looks real clean.
And on YouTube land, you get close to it, it looks pretty bad.
Ready to do it?
Let's do it.
What's the first step? So Randall was up pretty late last night putting a lot of this stuff together. I got the hook things too. Yeah. So yeah, it's basically ready to go in. We just got to clean up the engine bay a little bit. This is the first time the Supra's seen the light of day in what, about a year?
Close to it.
Yeah. So we just got to clean the engine bay off real quick, and then this big mamma jamma. We're gonna get it off the engine stand, connect the transmission, and throw it in there. Sounds real easy, doesn't it?
Easy peasy.
All right, we're gonna get to it.
You want those snazzy spreader bars.
Yeah. The levelers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Hacksaw Jim Duggan.
I'm gonna strip down my underwear and run around the neighborhood.
Oh, I would pay money to see that. Wait, I didn't say that. You excited? It's coming off the engine stand. I'm gonna see. When did we pull it out?
What?
When did we pull the 7M out?
Forever.
I'll look back on our YouTube vids. Let's see. Yeah, at least 7 months ago.
When was it?
I don't have an exact date.
I mean, you don't have the exact date.
Yeah, 7 months ago it says.
Really? It was longer than that.
I feel like it's been shorter.
Really?
I guess because I'm not looking at it every day like mine. Mine feels like it's just been, well, it has.
Well, you've been over a year now.
Yeah, it's time to wrap it up.
Wrap it up, B.
Yeah.
Oh, you're close.
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish that wiring, and that's the only thing really. Get some radiator hoses and
Radiator.
should fire it up. Well, here we go. Moment of truth.
Break matters.
Just don't have your eye next to it.
You're funny. Look, it's already leaking oil.
It's off the engine stand. How's it leaking oil? There's none in it. It just happens.
That's penetrating oil, baby.
Where are you penetrating? No.
Oh, wait.
Ah. You don't want to have to take that off like we did on mine, right? Yeah, so for you, those of you that didn't see, when we were putting the clutch on my engine, put the flywheel on, clutch on, had it all lined up and everything, had to take it right back off because we forgot to put the back plate on. But that's what we do.
Messing up since
2017.
has it really been that long?
Year and a half, yeah.
And we still can't get these damn things running?
No. So I'm the one that stripped the bolts. Let's see if I can strip them.
I can't see. So.
You have to rotate it down. Yeah, there. I can't see either. Down, rotate it, keep going, so. Okay. All right, torquey torque. All right, another step closer. Torque converter's on. Getting excited?
No. It's like a perfect game. You don't
Well.
talk about it. And we very well could be putting it back on this stand before the day's out.
Yeah.
I mean, with our track record, I'm not even going to say that. I'm not even going to say it.
I'm not gonna jinx it.
No, I'm not going to say it.
What's the next step then? Torque converter's on. You gotta put the, now we gotta make the transmission with the
Yeah, we'll put the
engine, right?
tranny up there.
Then just ease it on in. Ease it on in. Just tap, tap, tap it in.
I wish-
A little tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
I wish the folks at home could see that little knee movement you did.
Yeah.
That was nice.
So Randall is using some solid motor mounts on the 7M. So if you're using these style mounts, a problem is that it's just like it's one long bolt with a nut on the end of it. So if you take that nut off, the motor mount falls out. So Randall devised a plan with zip ties to help keep it on. So now when we put it in, we can take this nut off and the mount will stay up there. He's a genius. I don't know what I'd do without him.
Have a running conquest.
It was my idea to take the motor out. It wasn't your idea.
Yeah, but you probably would have bought one that was already rebuilt.
Yeah.
Because you found, I don't know how many.
Yeah.
Like right after you committed to it, you found, what, 3 or 4?
Yeah, that were already built.
Yep.
But what's the fun of that? All right. Is it transmission time?
I think so.
Let's do it. I see it hiding over there.
I see you, baby. It's on L's. Is it? It's on this one.
Use a bolt to draw it in, or
Can you try?